Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your TCL 605. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media volume and the settings. So unlock your phone. Now here, let's go over to the settings and let's click on sound and vibration. Here we will have the ring volume, notification volume, and media volume. Make sure that the media volume is at least more than a half and that the sound mode is on the ring and not vibration or sound off. Now here, as you guys can see, we will have the do not disturb. It's almost at the bottom. And here we need to make sure that we have it disabled because it can also cause the low volume problems. So now it's enabled. And now basically it will mute everything like notifications and calls. And after we disable it, we should be okay. So now we can clean the speaker grill and the headphone port. They are both at the bottom. So as you guys can see, here we have the first speaker grill. And now at the bottom, we have the headphone port and the speaker grill. Now here we can basically clean them. It's very important to do so there's no dust or debris inside. And last, we can update our software to fix any audio glitches. So go over to settings. Now here, let's scroll all the way down to system. Click on the system update and here click check for updates. As you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's worth it, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.